In this picture style clip, I am going to be talking about human digital augmentation using research to discuss the positive and negative impacts it has on humanity. Transhumanism is the radical alterations to benefit human through science and technology, such as nanotechnology and medical reasons, to give people a sense of life and extend their lifespan. However, it may lead to potential risks and rapid adaptations. For Neil Harbison, digital augmentation benefited him physically and gave a different meaning of perception due to an implementation to his skull using a chip attached to an antenna, which allowed him to hear images and paint sounds. However, a futurist called Ray Kurzweil believed the tipping point is nearer in sight than we think, where smarter machines will outrun the capabilities of humans, known as singularity, allowing humans to download copies of themselves and live forever. Sue Palmer also looks at the negative impact on augmentation through the way the modern world is damaging children, and that our species won't be able to keep up with the evolving changes, as well as the impact of children's behaviour being affected by spending their days in front of the television. Susan Greenfield also believes that technology may be positively and negatively changing the ways in which our brains work in different ways, and focuses on the ways that it makes a negative impact on digital augmentation. In conclusion, digital augmentation can have a positive impact as well as a negative effect on humans.